In this video, I'll be showing you how to deploy a simple static website on your Azure Storage Account and have to map it to a domain name. So let's get started. First thing first, let's create our storage account. Create resource group. Say test search. Scroll down, storage account name. Say Chris King. Central US is okay. Then I just want to review and create. So it's validating. Pending the time is doing that, let's go to twoplate.com. It's a place you can get a simple HTML. We have website. I just scroll down. We have a whole lot of websites you can play around with. I will go with mini finance. Let's click on that. If you want to see how the website looks, you can scroll down, click on live view. Now here's our website. All right, let's go back to Azure. Okay, let's go back to twoplate. Right, here's our website, and if you want to download, you click on download. I've already downloaded it, and you unzip the file. After the file has been unzipped, well, I have mine in my document. I have mine in my download, so I'll do that now. All right, so here is it, 2135 mini finance, and here is the document. Here is the files inside it. Now let's go back to Azure. Let's see if everything is ready now. All right, it's ready. Click on go to resource. Now here, search for static websites. Let's click on that. Let's enable it, and we type index.html. Here you can leave this as it is, index.html. Then we click on save. Now Azure will create, can you see, an Azure storage container has been created to host your static website. Now if I copy this link, let me copy this and paste it here, it will be empty, nothing will be there. As you can see, the request content does not exist. All right, let's go back to Azure. So we are going to use this link very soon, just stay with me. All right, an Azure storage container has been created to host your static website. So let's click on the container that has been created for us, which is $web. Then we click on upload. Now we can upload. Let me go back to our file. All these, let me do Control A, select all. Let me just drag and drop. So I've uploaded all the contents of the website to our storage. So I will click on upload. Now as you can see, it's showing here to our left that all this is being uploaded. All right, so successfully uploaded. That's good. Now if we come back here, if we refresh, our website will be here. Can you see our website is here and it's working perfectly well. Now the thing is, We don't want to have this website. See, it's a pretty long website which we don't want. So we want to use our own domain name. So how do we do that? Let's go back to Azure. Let's go back to our let's go back to our storage. Come here, same thing. Let's type next door. Yes, I mean, let's type CDN, front door and CDN. Now let's scroll down a little, click on Azure CDN. Profile name, I will say Chris CDN. And this, I would call it mini, because it's mini finance. I'm giving it mini. Name is already in use. Let me say mini fan. Let's see if that's not in use. All right. Now, when our endpoint name is mini fan and endpoint host name has been generated for us. Now, our origin host name will be this static website. Then this will be standard. Our query string catching behavior will be ignore query string. Then click on create. Now this minifan.azure.net, we are going to need it. Pending the time this is happening, let me pause this. All right, that has been done. Let's go to resource. Now we have minifan.azure.net and it's running. So let's click on this. So what we want to do is to click on custom domain. Then we want to copy this. Then let's go to our domain name provider. I'm using smartweb.com.ng. So I will log in. Any domain name you are using, any domain name provider you are using, it's pretty the same thing. Just find anywhere you can see managed DNS, anywhere you can see a record, CNAME. If you don't know how to search for it, contact your domain name provider. You can call them or chat with them, ask them how to go around it. What you need basically is CNAME, any a record option. All right, so now here's mine, DNS manager. Now I'll click on add record. Type I need CNAME. Now app data, the link that I copy, I will paste it here. Then name, I will put this www. I will click on add record. Now I want to do another one. I will name it, okay, let's click on type. It will be CNAME. I will give it heroes.com.ng. The CNAME will be the same thing. I'll click on add record. Remember, this link was generated from Azure. All right, let's go back. So I'll click on add record. Now, the reason I actually put www is because my domain name provider doesn't want me to put things like this in my root. So that's why I'm putting www. So what I did is just to scroll down, click on save changes. So I'll go back to Azure, then I'll put www.heroes.com.ng. All right, can you see we are good to go? Then we'll click on add. Now, creating a CDN custom domain. All right, that has been created successfully. So now let's click on this. Now we want to toggle this on because we want our website to have HTTPS. If you have your own SSL certificate, you can use this option, but in my own case, I'm going with this. Then I will click on save. All right, our custom domain was successfully updated. Now, this is where we are going to do some waiting because this will take a couple of time. Even if you go to our heroes.com.ng, let me refresh, nothing will be there because these things take some time. The account being accessed does not support HTTP. So this will take a couple of time. Let's just be patient. I would come back in the next, say, 10 minutes. All right, so it's still being, it's processing, things are processing. Your HTTPS request has been submitted successfully. All this should be processed. It will take a couple of minutes, or it will take a couple of time. Just wait. I'll wait extra 10 minutes, then come back. All right, all of this is successful now. So after that, your website is 100% working, the SSL is working. You've mapped your domain name to it. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly well. Let me use another browser so that you can see. All right, so boom, as you can see, we have our padlock. Padlock means that our SSL is working perfectly well and our domain name is working smoothly and everything is responding. See, as you can see, the response is, the website is like mwah, responding sharp, sharp. So yeah, that's how to map your domain name to your storage or to your static website on your storage. All right, bye bye.